Like it?
Love it. How in the world did you ever find this place so soon?
Some of the boys back east told me about it. Said it's one of the show places of Hollywood.
Do the stars come here?
I don't know about that. You see, I wanted to come here for atmosphere.
Any line on the man who shot O'Hearn?
Not a thing. The whole gang's in the clear again.
That leaves you right where you started from.
Yep. Macy destroyed the whole line we were working on.
Oh, well, let's forget business for a while. They make a cute couple, don't they?
That sister of mine is a sweet kid, isn't she?
Mm-hmm. She certainly is.
It must be terribly thrilling to be a writer and get to go to all sorts of places after things to write about.
Yes, I have been in a few tight places.
Tell me about them.
Some other time. You see, right now, I don't want to do anything but talk about you.
Hello, have a good time?
Oh, wonderful. He's a grand dancer.
Will you pardon me for a moment? I have a telephone call to make.
Hurry back.
I will.
Here comes your author, kid.
Sorry it's been so long.
It's all right.
Hello. How about giving me a break, Bobby?
Some people are always looking for trouble.
Well, I can handle it. Come on.
I wonder.